Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Hyoscine Metamizole, a medicine that relieves spasms and pain. What is it used for, and how does it work? Let's get started. Hyoscine Metamizole is a great help for relieving aches and spasms. It's often used for stomach aches, kidney stones, and bad period cramps. Sometimes it's also prescribed for pain after an operation. Are you curious about how it works? Well, what this medicine does is relax the muscles in your stomach, intestines, and urinary tract. This reduces spasms and pain. It's that simple. The dose is very important. For adults, you usually start with 1 or 2 pills 3 times a day. Always follow your doctor's instructions to know the right dose for you. Never take more than recommended. Let's talk about side effects. Like all medicines, Hyoscine Metamizole can have some unwanted effects. The most common ones are dry mouth, dizziness, and in very rare cases, allergic reactions. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor as soon as possible. Remember that not everyone can take this medicine. It's very important to tell your doctor about any other health conditions you have, or if you're taking other medications. In short, Hyoscine Metamizole is a good option to get rid of pain and spasms. Always follow your doctor's instructions and pay attention to any side effects. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information useful. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.